you honking at? Oh my God, they're just ready to honk at anything. So it was this car. I know that for sure. Do you honk at literally just anything in sight? Whoa. Yep. You wanna know what mirrors are? I saw that. I got you, man. I got that, man. I hate when that happens. It's like drivers don't know what these things are on their side. No, he's like, what did I do? Yeah. Right? Absolutely. Yeah, Salty Seattle Cyclist.
Okay, Salty Seattle. Okay.
Yeah. I come up pretty quick when you start typing that. Take care, man. There's pedestrians crossing. What's up?
I love your flag, dude.
Thank you. I have a really big one at home when I feel like it. But people often confuse it. They think it just says Trump, so people then give me the middle finger, and I'm like, no, 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 look, look, look. So, you too. Oh, that was a red light. But remind me how cyclists make up their own rules. Still don't understand why this is the one and only intersection across the whole city that we redesigned like this. It's so much safer for everyone. Why is this not everywhere? For example, this intersection too. This one should also be redesigned like that. Look how big and wide it is. Good job. Okay. Let's just not stop for the stop sign. Oh no, they crossed the red light when there was absolutely no one coming. Oh my god, they're doing it too. Oh, now the pedestrians are doing it. Oh my god.
That's hella cringe.
Sidewalk's right there, idiot. Just walk blindly into the bike lane staring at your phone. That's what a responsible person does. Wrong way, dummy. That's right, it doesn't say walk.
Fuck you.
job. Oh, well, if cars can, so can I. That is a smart place to stand. Very good. There's a bike lane right here. Bike lane's right here. Phone zombie. Yep. Let me tell you about how them cyclists run red lights though. That's some great driving. Good job. Good job. Yep, no left turn, but let me tell you about how the cyclists make up their own rules.
This whole area is a no-go area. Right here? Huh? Should I end it right here? Yeah, I would, honestly. The stadium's not even that far. It's like maybe 3 blocks. Oh, yeah.
Here's the murder in your heart. He sees the murder and the lust in your heart, the pride in your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, repent. God is commanding all people everywhere today to repent and believe in the gospel. I can turn that away.
I'm 1-3 as well.
Designated protest zone. So why are the Christian nationalists being forced to be there? They get free speech, but other people don't.
That's it.
Train tracks are bad. Appreciate it. Very good, very good. Use your eyes. Pretty sure a red light means stop. But how am I supposed to zigzag in between them like an idiot? Oh, you gotta wait till you're down here at Argentina and Iran. Got it. Then you can do it. Supposed to ride in the street, not the sidewalk. Wrong way, wanka. You know, but you do it anyway. I know, I know. I'm just gonna continue to do it. Yep. The sidewalk is the perfect place for Amazon Prime. Who needs to walk on the sidewalk? We need our cheap Chinese stuff. That's what the bike lane is for. Wrong way, genius. Good job. Don't block the intersection. If you don't want your car touched, don't block the intersection. It's really that simple. Great driving. Good driving, dumbass. I wonder what a red light means. Yeah, let's hang out in the bike lane. That's smart. Yep, texting and driving. Oh dear, texting and driving. Oh yeah.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant when.
Shove yourself in there. Good job blocking the bike lane, dumb shit. So much room to park there. Couldn't be bothered to pull all the way in. It's one of these many, many broken posts. Damn, that one was heavy. And red. Good job. Yep. Let me tell you about how cyclists run red lights. They're so entitled. Look at all these stupid entitled car drivers. Good job. Good job. Great driving, fuckhead. Oh my god, what's this? One more block and we have another one? But I can just go around, right? Oh yeah, good job, cars. Block the intersection. Very good. Some grade A driving right there. Don't talk about your mom like that. Oh, we're gonna pack it in more. Oh my god, yeah, pack it all the way in. Yeah, shove all the cars in, yeah. Great driving, dummy. Never ceases to amaze me how drivers just don't look ahead. Like, what's on the other side of this intersection? Is there space? No? Then don't go. On the phone. Phone zombie. Pull over to take a call. It's not safe at all.